Hey, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're looking at the Aluminium Vertical laptop stand from Satechi. So this is what it says in the tin really, it's a laptop stand for the MacBook or any other laptop in that regard really, but today we'll be looking at it with a MacBook Pro. And it's literally a way to hold your MacBook vertically if you're in an office environment or you want to remove clutter from your desk and you want to stand your laptop vertically. There are many solutions on how to do that, but this one is something that is out the box and it doesn't require too much to put it together and let it do its job. So it's quite weighty, quite heavy. It's got some padded feet there, so it's not going to mark any surfaces or anything. And you can see here it's got a few bolt rivets there which open and close by just turning this. So that's as tight as it ever goes, which I would say is probably just a little over a centimetre in width. And then basically by turning that, you open up the gap. So if you've got a super thick laptop, it's definitely going to support that. I don't know the numbers off by heart, but look in the notes and in our review for how thick this could actually support. But unless you've got an archaic laptop, it's going to be quite a chunky laptop if you needed a slot that wide. But for a MacBook, it's pretty much just a little bit more than fully closed and it will fit in there nicely. It's made in 3 different colors. I think it's black, silver and space gray. This is the space gray version. There's Satechi branding here, and this is the control knob here. You kind of want to hide that, you'd want it on that side, so I'm surprised the branding isn't on here instead, but at least this keeps it plain and neutral, and you can have it on your desktop and then your laptop slides in like that. It's a shame this hasn't got like a power socket holder or something. They're always quite nice when you have a vertical stand and you can just literally either plonk it in and push the connector in, or something a bit more fancy where they sort of latch into place to give it power, so you have to manually connect and then place it down. But other than that, if you're looking for a stand to keep your laptop vertical and neat and tidy on your desk, then this mount from Satechi is not a bad buy. So this aluminium stand costs $49.99. I would say that's probably a little bit steep. It's an aluminium quality material, so it's definitely going to last you for many years, I'm sure. There's not really any other functionality for it to go wrong really. And there's some padding in the middle, so you're very going to wear this out anytime soon. So the options are a bit thin and there are probably cheaper options out there. But if you're after a very sturdy, good quality, that's going to last stand for your laptop to stand it vertically, then I would give this a look at and see if this is for you. Alright, hope you enjoyed this brief look. Look out for our full review on CarPlayLife.com and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.